Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Today we are making a peppermint crisp tart, and we are making it on a tart tin or tart pan. Let's begin. Crumble sweetened coconut biscuits or cookies by bashing them or by pulsating them in a food processor. Please check the description box below for a list of ingredients and more information. Leave some biscuits or cookies for later. Once the biscuits are ground, add melted butter and mix. Apologies for a lost footage on that. Place the crumbs in a tart pan or a baking pan. You may use your normal round baking pan as well. Compact the biscuits and form a base or a mold. Shape the sides by pressing the glass against the pan and your finger pressing the opposite direction. Refrigerate it until the filling is ready. In a bowl, place cold whipping cream. Beat it until it forms soft peaks. A big shout out to my Easy family. Thank you so much for your continuous support. Collect from the sides and mix. In another bowl, place caramel treat. It's like dulce de leche, and mix it or stir it with a fork. A warm welcome to those new to this channel. I hope you love it here. Add the caramel to the cream and don't mix yet to avoid overmixing. Roughly crumble the set aside biscuits or cookies, then add them to the cream bowl. Chop the peppermint crisp chocolate. I prefer this melting one, but the recipe requires the peppermint crisp. We'll do the peppermint crisp then. Add the chocolate to the cream bowl. Gently fold the added ingredients into the cream and stop as soon as they are blended. Please subscribe and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. Please do not overmix to avoid the cream turning into butter, sweet butter. Pour the cream into the biscuit base or the cookie base. Level and smoothen the top. I've left a little bit of cream for my camera person to nibble on. Cover the pan with foil, then freeze the tart for 4 hours. Please do not forget to tap the pan a few times so that you remove air pockets. Once set, garnish the tart. I would say that's optional, but it's Christmas, why not? You may use any garnish you would like to put. I've put peppermint crisp chocolate, caramel coated popcorn, bananas, toffee, candy, mint, and I sprinkled gold. Please press the like button and leave a comment below. Here I'm taking out the sides of the pan in order to slice my tart. It is so delicious. You need to try this recipe. My family loved it. Please do not forget to press the like button and please watch the ads. Wishing you a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your time. I hope to see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.